I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Morichy hair. They were so kind to send us this super bomb unit. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this beginner friendly, be sure to stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like. I did not bleach the knots or anything. This is a closure unit body wave. She's super cute. Sally Henson airbrush legs in the color Deep Glow. This is really good for when you don't want to bleach your knots, you don't know how to bleach your knots. This is really good. It's really inexpensive. I think I got mine from Walgreens. So all I do is spray it on the inside of the lace, and then I blow dry it on cool to make sure that everything is dry before I put it on my head. Handy dandy even lace bond adhesive spray. We're going to go ahead and lay our lace, and we're going to make sure that you're blow drying it on cool so that it dries faster. that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me move these things out of my face. So this is Morichy hair. Thank you to Morichy for sponsoring this video. This is their body wave hair in 22 inches. And I believe this is 150 density. And this hair is actually really nice. I have no complaints about this hair. It was super easy for me to lay this down and style it. As you guys saw, I just kept it super simple. But I'm getting no tangling, no shedding from this hair. I didn't bleach the knots, but it was super easy to lay the lace down. And the lace just melted right into my skin. But this is what the hair is looking like, y'all. Super cute. It's really full, really pretty. This is definitely a good wig for a beginner-friendly person. So if that's you, you're a beginner friendly, be sure to check out this wig. All the information that you need to know about this unit will be in the description box as always. Be sure to comment down below what you thought about this video and this wig. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that post notification button so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.